Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to discuss a not so popular subject, and that is cleaning the good old cat box. A job that nobody really likes to do but needs to be done to help our little feline friends. I used to do the good old scoop and digging and so forth, and I found this little basket on eBay. The link is in the description if you guys are interested. It's a simple concept, really. You just pour the entire contents of one box into an empty box. You do have to have like a spare box, and then you just swap them out. What you do is you just pour the entire contents into the basket, as you can see on the video, and then you simply lift the basket out. There's no real sifting or anything because the openings are large enough and small enough for the contents to stay in the basket and the litter to fall through. Easy, takes a few seconds. There's rarely do you miss anything, so there's really no need to replace the entire litter every now and then because you get most of it in a matter of seconds. The remaining box is left perfectly clean, and then you just dump out the contents in the garbage, and you're golden. Again, it's the easiest way I found to do it. I don't think I'll ever go back to the digging and scooping with a little shovel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.